So
hello,
you want to grow
hello.
on TikTok, huh?
What's going on? My name is
Well, you
Sean.
came to the right place. I got 7 tips to help you do that.
I don't wanna die. Sold my soul to the devil for designing.
Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Rogers back with another video. All right, man. So you want to grow on TikTok? Came to the right place. I got 5 tips. Let's get to it. Tip number 1: be consistent. Post about 2 to 3 times a day. Continue to knock out content. Content is really what's going to help you grow when it comes to any types of social media, whether it be TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. Got to get yourself out there and allow people to be able to see who you are and see if there's something that they're rocking with. Tip number 2: learn your audience. When it comes down to it, man, you have to be able to learn your audience, know where your audience is from. That allows you to be able to know when the best time is to post. You're not going to be able to just kind of go through it and just post leisurely. Like, you have to find those prime times to be able to post content. That's how you get the views. That's how you get the followers. That's how you get the likes. Know what they like, know what they don't like. See what pops off. When you post a video, go back through, look at the comments, see if there's any suggestions that they give you based off of what they want to see next, anything like that. Because 9 times out of 10, if they're in your comment section commenting, saying what they want to see next, more than likely they're going to show support when you post that next. So just kind of take heed to that, kind of apply it into what you want to be able to post, and then go from there. All right, with this next one, number 3, I'm going to tie 2 things kind of together because I think they're very important together and they don't really make sense apart, and that is find your niche / be yourself. The worst thing that you can do is go on a platform, make TikToks, and not really be yourself. Try to be somebody that you're not. It's not going to work out at the end of the day. You want to be yourself. You want to show your audience that you are who you say you are. And with the niche, you don't want to find your niche and it not be something that you really are into, or it's really has anything to pertain with you or your lifestyle or anything that you're posting. So you don't want to go based off of that. Whatever you got famous for in the first place or whatever popped off, go with that. Mine specifically just dealt with my love for black women. That's really just what it was. And at the end of the day, I posted one video, really wasn't planning on posting it, and it just happened to pop off. Now, again, going back to it, don't go into that just doing it for likes. Like, if it's something that you like or something that you're into or something that you feel like represents your life as a whole, then go with it. If not, then don't do it, because the last thing you want to be is somebody that you're not. All right, tip number 4: engage. I can't stress this enough. Engage with your audience, engage with people on TikTok, talk to people, be social. And social media, you have to be social. I can't stress that enough. And I will stress it to anybody that asks me, hey, Nick, how'd you get big on TikTok? Or hey, how'd you get big on social media or Twitch or whatever the case may be? Engage. I promise you, that is the most important thing. Because if you don't go and talk to people, if you don't reply to comments, if you don't comment on other people's videos, people are going to think you're just some stuck up, arrogant person, and they're not really going to want to mess with you. So, again, talk to people, be social. Trust me, I'm not the most social guy. I'm really not. But at the end of the day, I understand that you have to be able to talk to people. You have to be able to make people feel comfortable enough to come to your page, see you, like your videos. But then also at the end of the day, the comments, they're not going to want to comment on your video if they just think you're just this stuck up dude that doesn't really mess with anybody. So again, talk to people, be approachable. Don't be stuck up into yourself. Trust me, I know it's hard. I can walk into a room of random people and not say a word and just sit down and chill. You got to get out of that. So at the end of the day, engage with your audience, man. I promise you, it's the most important thing out of this whole entire list. Number 5, do your research. And what I mean by that is do some research on the app that you're trying to get big on. This video is based off of TikTok. So do some research on TikTok, the algorithms, knowing, what's popular, knowing what's not, knowing what sounds to use, knowing what videos to make. All of the above, when it comes down to it, you have to be able to know your craft. You have to be able to know TikTok. So do your research. And the last thing, and I know I already said that engaging with your audience is probably the most important thing, but this is probably right there up with it, like a 1A and 1B. Have fun. You know, if this is something you want to take as a full-time job, cool, that's great. If it's not, that's also fine. But at the end of the day, whenever you view something as a job, it becomes stressful. It becomes something that you have to do instead of something that you're wanting to do. The more fun you have, the more entertaining you're going to be. You can't just sit there and be like, oh, I gotta make this video because I gotta post one today. Having fun is the most important thing. You have to. And that's with anything in life. If you're going to go about something, whether you want to be a personal trainer, a TikTok star, a social media guru, a Twitch streamer, a engineer, whatever the case may be, you have to have fun and it has to be something that you enjoy. You're not going to go work a job for the rest of your life that you just don't enjoy. You're going to drive yourself crazy. So have fun. Post what you want to post. Be yourself. All these things that I've discussed in this video are very vital to you growing on TikTok. Take it from me. I went from somebody who just honestly didn't even have TikTok downloaded. I was told by a couple of the players that I coach. Lo and behold, I made a couple. Wasn't really hitting the way that I thought it would. And it's just, all it takes is one. You get one that just pops off, it's over at that point. You just take off from there and you just keep going up and up and up. And that's when you really start posting content. Is when you hit that one and it's like, boom, go. Like, you have to be able to do it. And number 7, utilize going live. Again, can't stress this enough. When you begin to gain followers, go live. Yes, people can kind of see who you are behind videos, but you have to be able to show them who you really are. And how do you do that? By going live. They can see you without editing. They can see you just raw footage of who you are, interact with you. That's probably the most up close and personal that you can be with somebody, is going live on TikTok. Trust me, this is definitely something you need to be able to do and be willing to do if being viral on TikTok is really something that you want to do. All right, guys, that's going to be it for the video. I hope this helped you guys. I hope you learned something from this video. And I hope it, again, you can use these tips and tricks that I gave you guys and become viral or famous on TikTok, the same way that I did. And by no means am I super huge on TikTok, but I feel like I have a pretty good amount of followers to be able to give you guys these tips. Again, thank you guys for stopping by. Leave a like down below, subscribe to the channel. And also, man, leave a comment what you guys want to see me do next, man. I'm trying to come up with some different ideas, things that I think you guys may like. Let me know, man. I'll be willing to do almost damn near anything. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
I don't wanna die. Sold my soul to the devil for this.